Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious, crispy onion rings. First, select large, firm onions as these yield the best rings. Peel your chosen onion, then carefully slice it into consistent rounds, about 1/2 inch thick. Gently separate these slices into individual rings. Now, soak them in a bowl of buttermilk for at least 30 minutes or even up to 1 hour, which makes them tender and helps our coating adhere beautifully. Next, set up your simple breading station. In your first shallow bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk these dry ingredients thoroughly until well combined. In a second shallow bowl, whisk 2 large eggs with 2 tablespoons of milk until smooth. These 2 simple mixtures will form the foundation for your crispy onion rings. Now let's coat our rings for maximum crispness. Take an onion ring from the buttermilk, letting any excess liquid drip off. First, fully dredge it in the seasoned flour mixture. Then, dip it into the egg wash, ensuring complete coverage, and let any extra egg drip back into the bowl. Finally, return it to the flour for a second, thorough coating, gently pressing to ensure the flour adheres well. Set each coated ring on a wire rack. Once drivers are installed, add your printer to your laptop system. Open your laptop settings and find the Printers and Scanners section, then select Add a Printer or Scanner. Your laptop will now search for available devices where you should see your X printer. Select it to complete the integration, making sure to set it as your default printer if you choose. This finalizes the basic setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.